Imagine the gentle patter of rain, the aroma of wet earth, and the mesmerizing beauty of Japan. Welcome to our journey of exploring Japan in the rain. There's something uniquely charming about Japan during the rainy season. The rain adds a layer of mystique to the already intriguing country, painting an enchanting picture that's hard to resist. Whether it's the reflections on the slick, wet streets of Tokyo, or the fresh greenery of Kyoto glistening under the gentle downpour, each scene becomes a captivating artwork. Our purpose today is to take you on a virtual tour, exploring the beauty of Japan in the rain. From the bustling cityscapes to tranquil shrines, from the vibrant wildlife to serene landscapes, we'll uncover how the rain transforms the country into a stunning watercolor painting. As we navigate through the streets and landscapes of Japan, you will experience the magic of a rainy day in this beautiful country. First stop, Tokyo, a city that never stops, not even in the rain. Imagine a metropolis where the rhythm of life is a symphony, composed of millions of footsteps, the hum of engines, and the chatter of countless conversations. This is Tokyo, and when the rain begins to fall, the city's familiar song takes on a whole new melody. As the raindrops descend from the sky, they seem to dance on the city's skin, casting an enchanting spell that transforms Tokyo into a rainy wonderland. The skyscrapers become giants cloaked in mist, their heads lost in the clouds, making the city seem even more mystical and enigmatic than it already is. Tokyo's hustle and bustle, the heartbeat of the city, doesn't miss a beat when the heavens open. The multitude of people rushing through the streets, the cars zipping by, the trains that come and go with clockwork precision, they all harmonize into a rhythm that is uniquely Tokyo. Then there are the neon lights, Tokyo's veins of vibrant color. As dusk turns into night and the cityscape is doused in rain, these lights take on a new persona. They reflect on the wet streets, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that dance and dazzle on the liquid canvas. And amidst this spectacle, a sea of umbrellas bloom. From the compact black ones carried by the businessmen to the vibrant ones held by the fashion-conscious youth, these umbrellas add a splash of color to the cityscape. They bob and weave through the city's arteries, becoming the petals of a flower that only blooms when it rains in Tokyo. And so, the city that never sleeps continues to pulse with life, even under the falling rain. The rain does not dampen Tokyo's spirit, instead it amplifies it. It adds a touch of magic to the mundane, a hint of mystery to the familiar, and a dash of romance to the routine. Tokyo in the rain is a sight to behold, a city that shines brighter under a cloud-filled sky. The rain doesn't stop Tokyo, it simply gives it a new way to shine. Now we journey to Kyoto, a city where the rain brings an added layer of tranquility. In this ancient city, the rain doesn't disrupt, it simply enhances. It's as if the city, with its serene temples, traditional tea houses, and beautiful gardens, is enveloped in a gentle, calming embrace, the rhythm of the raindrops adding to its peaceful ambiance. Kyoto's temples, like silent sentinels, stand stoic in the rain. Each drop seems to wash away the noise of the world, leaving only the pure essence of tranquility in its wake. The rain creates a symphony, the roofs of the temples playing the notes in harmony with nature's orchestra. Imagine walking through the traditional tea houses of Kyoto, the rain gently falling outside. The scent of fresh tea mingles with the earthy aroma of the rain-soaked gardens, creating a sensory experience that's uniquely Kyoto. Each sip of tea becomes a moment of calm, a moment of connection with the world outside, punctuated by the soft patter of raindrops. And then there are the gardens, the heart and soul of Kyoto. The rain paints them in a richer hue, each leaf, each petal, appearing brighter, fuller. It's as though the city blooms anew with every rainfall. The raindrops on the garden ponds create ripples, each one a fleeting masterpiece, a testament to nature's artistry. The rain in Kyoto is not just water falling from the sky, it's a melody, a fragrance, a touch, a sight to behold. It's an experience that seeps into your soul, making you feel one with the city and its age-old traditions. It's a dance of nature, a song of serenity, a painting of peace. Every raindrop that falls on Kyoto's ancient landscape seems to carry a tale from the past, a whisper of the city's rich history and culture. Each one adds to the city's charm, its timeless allure, creating an atmosphere that's both enchanting and soothing. In Kyoto, each raindrop tells a story, adding to the city's timeless allure. Our final destination is Hokkaido, where the rain breathes life into the local flora and fauna. In the heart of Japan's northernmost island, the Hokkaido rain is more than just a weather phenomenon. It's an event, a celebration of life that awakens the soul of the land and its inhabitants. The raindrops, as they fall, seem to perform a rhythmic dance, tapping a melody that resonates with the pulse of the wild. The rain in Hokkaido is a maestro, orchestrating a symphony of life. It stirs the lush landscapes, waking them from their slumber, painting them with a fresh shade of vibrant green. It tickles the petals of the flowers, encouraging them to bloom in a burst of colors, their sweet perfume wafting in the cool, damp air. The rain is not merely a backdrop, but rather an active participant in the daily life of the island's wildlife. As the first drops touch the earth, it summons the sika deer, their coats glistening in the wetness, their eyes reflecting the beauty of their surroundings. The rain showers the red-crowned cranes, their elegant dance in the falling droplets a sight to behold. It invites the brown bears out of their dens, their roars echoing in the soft patter of the rain. It's during these rainy days that the elusive Hokkaido fox makes its appearance, its fiery orange coat a stark contrast against the misty greens. The raindrops on its fur sparkle like tiny jewels, adding to the mystique of this captivating creature. The rain also beckons the sea life, filling the rivers and streams, creating an aquatic playground for salmons. As the water levels rise, they swim upstream in a display of sheer determination and resilience, a timeless ritual that has been taking place for countless generations. So you see, the Hokkaido rain is not a hindrance, but a catalyst. It brings out the vibrancy, the vitality, the very essence of the island's wildlife, creating a spectacle of life and color that is as mesmerizing as it is beautiful. Hokkaido in the rain is a nature lover's paradise, a place where every raindrop nurtures life. Our journey through Japan in the rain comes to an end, but the magic lingers. We've ventured through the rainy metropolis of Tokyo, where every droplet mirrored the city's vibrant energy. We found tranquility in the rain-soaked temples of Kyoto, where each raindrop whispered ancient tales. We've marveled at Hokkaido's wildlife, where the rain played a symphony for the creatures of the forest. This is the beauty of Japan in the rain. A symphony of sights and sounds that paints a completely unique picture of this remarkable country. Each raindrop tells a story and brings out a different aspect of Japan's character. So, why not experience this for yourself? Why not let the rain guide your next adventure and explore a side of Japan that's often overlooked? Let the rain bring you closer to the heart of Japan, to its pulse, its rhythm, its essence. So next time it rains, don't hide away, embrace it, and remember the magic of Japan in the rain.